it's Rachel here from Instance by Rachel. Today I'm going to be doing just a very quick tutorial on how you can upload an Etsy banner onto your Etsy store. I've had quite a few requests from people on how to do this, so rather than make a step-by-step written guide, I thought I would make a video, as I know for some people it's a lot easier to follow when they can visually see the steps. So first of all, you would need to be on the Etsy site using either a PC laptop or mobile device, but using the browser. You can't unfortunately edit an Etsy banner or add it to your store using the Etsy app. Here we are on my Etsy store, and to add the banner you just click here on Edit Shop, and to edit you click here on the pencil icon, and if you have a banner already just click delete. You can change the layout here if you want to have a big banner or the mini banner style. I always prefer the big banner. So we just click here to add the image, and then find where you have your banner saved on either your PC or mobile device. Click to upload it, and it's as easy as that. That's the banner now uploaded to your store. You just need to click on save and view shop, and that's it. It's uploaded to your store within a couple of minutes. I hope that was helpful for anyone who's been struggling with adding the Etsy banner to the store. But certainly if you have any questions or you need any help with it, feel free to send me a message and I'll be more than happy to help with it. But for now, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching and have a great day.